Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did some questions of the topic differentiation from past papers. Today we will do some more questions of the same topic, differentiation. But before I start my lecture, I would say for all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly first go to my playlist. There is a folder name is AdMath. Watch previous lecture of this topic. Then you will have good command on this topic. Let's have a look. Question number 6. A track runs due east from A to B, a distance of 200 meter. The point C is 80 meter due north of B. A cyclist travels on the track from A to D, where D is X kilometer due west of B. The cyclist the cyclist then travels in a straight line across rough ground from D to C. The cyclist travels at 10 meters per second on the track and 6 meters per second across rough ground. Show that the time taken t seconds for the cyclist to travel from A to C is given by t equals to 200 minus x upon 10 plus square root of x square plus 6400 whole upon 6. This is part number 1. I will read part number 2 very shortly. This question came in October-November 2012, paper 2-3. So let's start. So we have to show the time from A to C. Very easy. First we have to find the distance from A to D. Distance from point A to point D. You can see the total distance from A to B is 200 meter and the distance from D to B is x meter. So obviously the distance from A to D is 200 minus x. Now find distance from D to C. You can see triangle DBC is a right angle triangle, so you can use the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Square of the hypotenuse is DC square is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. So x square plus 80 square. So DC equals to x square plus 80 square is 6400, and when you remove the square you have to put square root on other side. So this is the distance from DC. Now you can see according to question the cyclist travels 10 meters per second on the track. On the track means from A to D. So the speed is 10 meters per second and 6 meters per second across rough ground. So from D to C the speed is 6 meters per second. Now find the time. First we have to find time from the path A to D. You know the formula of speed is distance upon time, then the formula of time is distance upon speed. T is equals to distance upon speed. So the distance we have find 200 negative x upon the speed which have given 10. Now we have to find time from D to C. T is equals to distance upon time. So we have already find the distance, which is x square plus 6400 square root, and the speed is given is 6. Now the total time. Total time. Time from A to D is 200 minus x upon 10 plus time from D to C is x square plus 6400 square root whole upon 6. So this is what they want. Show that the time taken t seconds for the cyclist to travel from A to C is given by t is equals to 200 minus x upon 10 plus square root of x square plus 6400 whole upon 6. And you can see we have obtained the same answer. So this is the answer of part 1 shown. Move to next part. So this part have 2 marks and C part 2. Given that x can vary, find the value of x for which t has a stationary value and the corresponding value of t. This part has 6 marks. So we have to do some more work as compared to previous part. But this is very, very easy. So we have t is equals to 200 minus x upon 10 plus x square plus 6400 square root upon 6. Now in order to find the stationary value of x, we must find the derivative of time with respect to x. So 200 minus x upon derivative upon 10 derivative. So 200 derivative is 0 minus x derivative is 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 6. The derivative of x square plus 6400. So it is 1 upon 2 x square plus 6400. This is the derivative of root, and now find the derivative of the function. That is the derivative of x square plus 600. The derivative of x square is 2x and 600 is 0. 6400 is 0. Now 2 cancelled by 2. In order to find the stationary value, we should replace dt by dx is 0. So 0 equals to minus 1 upon 10 plus x 1 is x upon 6 1 is 6 x square plus 6400 root. Move this minus 1 upon 10 on other side. It will be 1 upon 10 x upon 6 x square plus 6400 root. Cancel this 5, this 10 and 6, 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. This 3 is divide over here, this should multiply by 1, it is 3 upon 5 is equals to x upon square root of x square plus 6400. In order to find the value of x, we must apply squaring on both sides. So 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25 is equals to x square. X square is x square and square and root cancel. X square plus 6400. Cross multiply. 9 multiply by x square plus 6400 and 25 multiply by x square. So 9 into x square is 9x square. 9 into 6400 is 57600. 25x square. Move this 9x square on other side. 57600. 25x square minus 9x square. 57600. 25 minus 9 is 16x square. 57600 upon 16 is equals to x square. And if you cancel 57600 by 16, you will get 3600 is equals to x square. Taking square root of 3600, you will get 60. We will not take minus value because this is a distance. It is a scalar quantity. So x is equals to 60. Now according to question, we have to find the value of t as well. So t is equals to, what was the formula of t in part 1? 200 minus x upon 10 plus x square plus 6400 whole upon 6. Put the value of x 60. 200 minus x. X means 60 upon 10 plus x square. 60 square plus 6400 upon 6. (200 minus 60 is 140 upon 10 plus 60 square plus 6400, 10,000. You can check from your calculator. On 6. 0 cancel by 0. 14. 10,000 square root is 100. 100 upon 6. And if you solve this 14 plus 100 upon 6, you will get 30.7 seconds. Hence the value of x is 60, then the corresponding value of t is 30.7 seconds. This is your final answer. If you do this in your exam, I can assure you, you will get full marks, 6 on 6. So this is the whole question which we did. I hope you completely understand. Now move to next question. This question came in October-November 2012, paper 2-3. The next question. Variables x and y are related by the equation y equals to 10 minus 4 sine square x, where x is 0 to pi upon 2. Given that x is increasing at a rate of 0.2 radians per second, find the corresponding rate of change of y. This question came in May-June 2013, paper 2-1 as well as paper 2-3, and the total mass is 6. Very easy question. Is increasing at a rate of 0.2 radians per second. It means dx by dt is given 0.2 radians per second, and we have to find dy by dt, and the value of y is given 8. So first we have to find the value of x by putting value of y is 8 in the given equation of curve 10 minus 4 sine square x. So 4 sine square x, negative becomes positive, 10 minus 8. So 4 sine square x is equals to 10 minus 8 is 2. So sine square x is equals to 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2. Taking square root on other side with plus minus sign, 1 square is 1 and root 2. So x is equals to sine inverse 1 upon root 2, and sine inverse 1 upon root 2 is pi upon 4. You can check from your calculator, but your calculator must be in radian mode. We will not take sine x is equals to negative 1 upon root 2 because it will gives you 3 pi by 4. But in the question, you can see the value of x is never goes beyond pi by 2. So x is equals to pi by 4. Now write the equation again. Y equals to 10 minus 4 sine square x. Find the derivative. 10 derivative is 0. 4 to the 8 sine x, and the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. This is very important. Find the derivative of the power, then the derivative of the function. So minus 8 sine x cos x. Satisfy this derivative dy by dx by the value of x, which you have just obtained. X is equals to pi by 4 minus 8 sine pi by 4 cos pi by 4 minus 8 sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, and cos pi by 4 is also 1 upon root 2. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, negative 8 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 twos are minus 4. Hence dy by dx is minus 4. Now write the formula of rate of change. Dy by dx is equals to dy by dt multiply by dt by dx. Dy by dx you have find minus 4. Dy by dt you have to find dx by dt is given in the question is 0.2, but you have to write dt upon dx, so the reciprocal of 0.2 is 1 upon 0.2. Hence dy by dt, This 0.2 is divide over here. This should multiply 0.2 dy by dt. Minus 4 into 0.2 is minus 8 radians per second. This is our final answer. So hope you understand and enjoy the whole question. Move to next. This question which we did came in May June 2012, paper 2-1 and 2-3. Nowadays we are doing paper 2 question. Next, a piece of wire length 96 centimeter is formed into the rectangular shape PQRSTU shown in the diagram. It is given that PQTUSR is X. So PQ is given X, I am writing. TU is X, I am writing over here, and SR is already written X. It may be assumed that PQ and TU coincide and that TS and QR have the same length. Show that the area A centimeter square enclosed by the wire is given by A equals to 96 minus 3x square upon 2. Very easy. So the total length of the wire is given 96. So if we find the perimeter of the shape, you can write TS plus SR plus RQ plus QP and plus TU, because PQ and TU both are coincide. So total length given 96, TS we have to find, SR given is X, RQ and TS both are same, so I am writing over here TS, QP is X and TU is also X. So 96 is equals to TS and TS is 2TS, X is 3X. So 96 minus 3X is equals to 2TS and TS is equals to 96 minus 3X upon 2. And you can see in the diagram, because this is a rectangle, so TS and QR are both are same. Now we have to find the area. Area is equals to A length. Length is TS. Width, you can see width is SR. So TS is 96 minus 3x upon 2 multiply by SR is X. So 96 into X is 96x. 3x into X is 3x square upon 2. Shown. This is what they required. You can see. So that the area A centimeter square enclosed by the wire is given by A equals to 96x minus 3x square upon 2. Move to next part. Definitely this part will use in next. Given that x can vary, find the stationary value of A It determine the nature of this stationary value. Very easy. We have find the area is 96x minus 3x square upon 2. So dA by dx, 96x derivative is 96 minus 3x square derivative is 6x upon 2. dA by dx replaced by 0 in order to find the stationary value. 96 minus 6x upon 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 96 minus 6x. So 6x is equals to 96. X is equals to 96 upon 6. 6 1 the 6 and 3 6 6 the. So the value of x is 16. Now find the stationary value of area. So put the value of x16 in area formula in this. 96 multiplied by x is 16 minus 3x square is 16 square upon 2. Use the calculator to find the answer. I am also finding 96 multiplied by 16 is 15 1536 minus 16 into 16 into 3 768 upon 2. So 1536 minus 768 divided by 2 is 384. 384 is the stationary value of A. This is the requirement. Stationary value of area is equals to 384. Now the next requirement is determine the nature of this stationary value. How to find the nature? Write the derivative dA by dx, which we just find, dA by dx. What was the answer? 96 minus 6x upon 2. 96 minus 6x upon 2. So find the double derivative in order to find the nature. 96 derivative is 0 minus 6x derivative is 6 upon 2. 2 3 is 6, negative 3 less than 0. So nature is the maximum. Whenever the value of double derivative is negative, the nature is maximum. And whenever the value of the double derivative is positive, the nature is minimum. So student, this is our today's class where we did 3 important questions. This question came in May-June 2013, paper 2-1 and 2-3. I promise I will do so many questions in coming lectures of the same topic, differentiation, in order to get good command. My request to all of you, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my channel, my videos, as many as you can.